I think it's very important to have very clear objectives. What is the outcome that you're looking for in your training? Also, to make it more impactful, it has to be experiential, it has to be immersive. Put the theory aside. Maybe theory can be a part of the pre learning. But when you have people attending you or listening to you attentively, then it has to be experiential. It could be case studies, it could be role plays, it could be simulations. And always remember, a training cannot be effective as just 1 day or 2 days. It has to have a journey. So follow it up with post learnings, with pre learnings, of course, the post learnings. Keep in touch with the learner, which could also mean that there could be more assessments at the end of a learning. So, again, learning will be impactful if it's immersive, experiential, and it's a journey. Definitely growth mindset and agility. Wherever you are, you need to be agile because remember, you're in a world which is very dynamic. Because of geopolitics, there's just so much happening, whichever industry you're a part of. You have to be agile because what is the truth now may not be the reality, let's say, in about a year's time or even maybe in 6 months' time. So, agility and growth mindset. And of course, the want to be curious. You need to be curious to grow.